Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zap Siu. This month in Taiwan is a huge month for tests. 像我们听众很多学生都会很惧怕，
头痛。
对我来讲是很遥远的一个生字了。
这样就会透露年龄啊。
That's all right, okay? This month is a month of testing, so let's teach people how to say certain words and terms associated with tests. All right? For instance, 考试嘛，就 examination test 怎么说？
考试。
考试哦，又在骂人的感觉了。
不会啊，考试。
听到这个就觉得哦，要考试了，好难过。OK， 考试要到了，赶快念书。Examinations are near, so hurry up and study hard.
考試會多誒。
考試會多誒。
入來讀書。
哦，入來讀書 ，that means 趕快
讀書。
讀書就是 read and study, right?
那考試的海陸腔，考試。
考試哦，這聽起來比較像考試了，對不對？考試 All right, that's another dialect for examination. Then when you take the test, they hand out the test paper. Okay, 會發考卷給你。考卷怎麼說？
考試字。
考試字 Okay, and let's say I'm the teacher. 我現在演我是老師，我就會說，現在要發考卷嘍。I'm gonna hand out the test papers right now.
呀哈愛發。
呀哈愛發。
考試字誒。
考試字誒 Okay, that means now I'm gonna distribute the test papers. 其實我一直好想當老師。
Okay.
All right, and then you would go to a test center, okay, to take these tests. 要去考場，怎麼說？
考場。
考場 Okay, that means a test center. 考試時呢，小心別跑錯考場哦，這個很丟臉的，有的時候，可是常會聽到這種故事，對不對？
對。
When you're taking a test, be careful not to go to the wrong test center. There are stories about that, and it's very embarrassing, and it's very humiliating. 怎麼說？
考試時。
考試時。
愛聲音。
愛聲音哦，要小心。
唔好就唔錯考場。
唔好就唔錯考場。Okay, that means please be careful and don't go to the wrong test center. Let's review these terms. An examination, 考試。
考試。
考試 and then 考卷 which is test paper.
考試字。
考試字 and then the test center. 考場。
考場。
考場。考，好多考啊。祝大家考試成功啦。Okay? All right, that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.